What's up, everyone? This is Joe Sorrentino, New England RC. Today we are going to continue our look at the Omni-Terminator from Rlaarlo. This thing looks amazing. We just did a video where we paired it side by side to several other vehicles. We did the unboxing. Today we're going to give it a rip, see how it performs. Let's go! Okay, here we go. First rip with the Omni-Terminator. Take it to the front yard. Oh, I can tell this thing wants to hold the wheelies down, but I got such a short space to work with. Woo! All right, let's give her a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Oh, wow, it just glides over that. How about this one? Oh, not such a glide. Well, that wasn't its fault. I have a little rocky terrain here. Let's try this again. Oh yeah. The mighty Omni-Terminator. This thing's been hyped up so much. I mean, I'm expecting this thing to walk on water. Oh, hello. That basically did right there. Look at that. Those. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Little push on the trigger, gives it a nice little wheelie and then a jump off the little ledge here. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Kicking around here a little bit. Oh, that was a nice little hold there on the wheelie. Fun. Oh my god, look at that. That was nuts. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Yes, I do. Alright, let's go up the hill. Take it to the track, take it to the aqueduct. I want to see what this thing can do. This way to the RC car track. The RC car track. Let's go. A little cold today, kind of windy. But it's not that cold. This is like hooded sweatshirt day. Oh boy. Oh, hello. Oh, that was awesome. All right. Let's do this. I'm just giving it little pushes, guys. I'm not going too heavy on the trigger. I'm just, Oh, nice, smooth jump. Little pumps on the trigger, little pumps. Yeah, I know if I hold the trigger down, this thing's gonna take off to the moon. We don't want it to yet. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, a little too much, but look at that. Whoa. Very nice. A little harder to race against somebody because of the size, but at least on my track anyway, I think it's still, this track is still better suited for the 1/16 scale vehicles. I think you can go as far as 1/14 and get away with it, but beyond that, I think it's too big for the track to try and race somebody. It's just not going to have enough room in between lanes. But for today's purpose, that don't matter. Oh, that was so cool. That's like 3 times now where I didn't want it to nosedive, but even though it did, it did a nice little flip and landed on its feet. And I'm okay with that too. Woo! Let's see if we can get a good jump here. Oh, no, I can't. But, again, the flip and on its feet. Awesome. This is my driver's stand slash deck that I built. I've got it next to a shed and another little shed. So now I can go up the stairs. I've had so many videos where this umbrella was knocked down and I finally got a nice base that's sturdy and some sandbags holding it down. It hasn't fallen ever since, so yay for that. Let's check this thing out. Oh, that would have sucked if that had fallen on its back. I'd like to get a couple of rips in without having to walk down, but we'll see how it goes. Whoa, nice, beautiful jump. Nice, that was good. Oh no, oh, nice. Oh no, oh, I knew sooner or later it was gonna happen. Oh. Oh my goodness. All right. Coming up this way on a different angle. All right. That was smooth. Very nice. Beautiful. Oh, that was a nice looking jump there. Oh, ah, almost. Ah. All right. Oh my God, yes. Oh. Oh well, we cheated. Oops. Oh, crap. Oh my God. All right. All right. Subscribe. Oh, nice. It's so beautiful. All right. So I've just got a little path to work on both sides here, and I brought some duct tape and a fully charged speed meter. We'll start this at 50% throttle, and then we'll do 75 and 100. We'll see what kind of readings we get. Okay, duct taped it to the top there, and I changed the dial. Very hard to read, but it is at 50%. 50% throttle rate. Okay, 15 miles per hour at 50% throttle. 15 miles per hour. 75% throttle right now. So let's see how fast it goes at 75. Ooh, what a difference. Whoa, down the track. Full speed. Oh, slow down. Really? That's quite a jump. From 15 to 29 miles per hour at 75%. 29 miles per hour. Woo, baby. That is quite the difference. And now 100% throttle. Let's see how we do, baby. Wow. If I can control it long enough to stay full throttle. Whoa, nearly killed myself there. Woo! Oh, that is a fast piece. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh, let's see. Is that thing still attached? It is. And would you figure the battery died? Okay, one more try. Let's get this reading. Try that again. Can't keep it straight long enough to do this. Huh. Oh, God. I don't know, I guess 32 is the max speed. I thought it was faster. So to recap, 50% power was 15, 70% was 29, surprisingly 100%, fastest I could get was 32 miles per hour. I really thought it would have been faster, but that's the reading I got. So there you have it, folks. Omni-Terminator, those are your peak speed miles per hour. All right, I got the big jump all set up, and it's a little bit beveled on the ground, but it's fairly even. The incline on the smaller one's actually steeper. I might even get a better jump with the little one than I do with the big. Oh, that was a tough hit, but it took it pretty well. Oh, Jesus. All right. Oh my God, what just happened? That was kind of nuts. Still good though. Oh, just not enough juice to get a full flip. Oh, that hit hard. I'm starting to wonder if this battery needed a little more charge. It doesn't seem like it's giving me enough of what I want. Oh, battery came right off. Still good? I think so. Oh, again, it's not getting a full flip in. What's happening here? That should be enough juice to get a full flip. I'm actually disappointed. Oh God, that was a hard hit. Ooh, we lost a pin here. There we go. I'm glad these are attached for that reason. You see it there, folks. That's a plus. It's not landing this very well. It is. See, there's a little bevel here. I don't know if you can see it from the camera. There's a space, and I think it's just enough where it's messing up my jumps. Really unfortunate that I'm not able to get this straighter. I'm probably gonna have to build another one, but I want to keep trying. Still want to try and get at least one solid flip before we end this video. With either this one or that one. One of them has to be able to do it. Oof. Yeah, it's just not working right on that. It's just not working right every time. You do a little light one just to see. Oh, that was interesting. I actually had a nicer ramp up when I did it slow. See, what I don't like is it does a jump. I noticed that. And that's not how it should be. It should be smooth all the way. I love this one again. Oh, there it is. Just barely made it. All right, that gives me hope. Oh, not quite that time. At least it landed on its feet. Looks like that battery's getting ready to pop out again too. It doesn't hold very well. The tray does not hold the battery very well. Oh, good God. Oh, that was beautiful. That was really nice. That might have been one of the best jumps I've done so far. Do another one. Oh my God. Oh, this one is really taking a beating today. It's so hard to do. Oh, baby, there you are. Just made it. Jeez, look at the dirt that got picked up. Oh, man. Oh, that's not a bad jump, but not a great jump either. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Oh. 3 times knocked the battery out of the tray. 3 times, guys. Oh, boy. All right, I think I've seen enough from this ramp to determine that it still needs some work before we can get the kind of flipping that I want from it. And by the way, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So, what are my thoughts? I love the Omni-Terminator. Yes, actually, I do love it. It's amazing. Very durable, very powerful. It does wheelies with no problem. Got a lot of punch on the go. Is it my favorite small size RC vehicle? That I unfortunately have to say no, guys. Out of the box, at least, it is not as powerful as my MJX H14BM, which is a smaller vehicle, by the way, and a little more aerodynamic. This guy has more power, more juice, more everything than any vehicle that I've found in its class. This thing, out of the box, is an absolute beast. But this video is not about that. It's about the Omni-Terminator, one of the most talked about vehicles of 2024. I'll say one thing, this thing is a beast. It took some brutal hits today, guys. I just couldn't seem to get that full flip when I was doing the jumps today. Whereas, and I will say it one more time, this guy here, I've been able to get triple flips with him, no problem. Barely even one flip with this guy. Based on the jumps alone, yeah, I'm gonna give it to this guy here. But again, this thing is durable as hell. It is fast. It is fun. It wheelies like nothing else. It's got lights built in. I mean, it's got a lot of really nice features though. I don't want to knock it too much because everybody loves it and I do love it. I gotta say, it's more powerful than a lot of other vehicles I have. I will say, I think I like it a touch better than the Mini Maxx from Traxxas. Just a little bit more. It's got a little bit more oomph to it. I was expecting more though. Just that was my only disappointment with that, but still good. It can still be upgraded to be even better, so it's not out of the running yet. I'm back in my other studio now. I just remembered something, guys. Here's the reason. Pinion gear. I need to upgrade the pinion gear to make it faster. That's why I'm not getting the juice that I'm looking for. The MJX HyperGo H14BM, no need to do that. That thing's already ready to go. You don't have to mess with a thing. Another plus for that one, guys. I'm sorry, but does make me wonder just how much faster I'm gonna get when I pop this baby in. So gonna have to do that in the next video. We gotta give it a true test, so stay tuned for that. So what did we learn today, folks? We learned that this thing in its stock settings, it's a beast. It can take a beating, but it's not performing as capable as it could be. In the next video, we're gonna try to improve that. What are we gonna do in the next video? Well, we're going to first experiment with those turbo settings, see if we can make it faster that way. Then I want to play around with the gyro settings because this had no gyro today. And you saw when we go on max speed, this thing was spinning out, driving side to side. I couldn't get it to perform the way it should. So we want to make sure it's stable. We can go as fast as we can. And then on top of that, we're going to add that pinion gear. We want to make this thing faster for sure when we add that. So stay tuned for all those things in another video coming soon. And if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and smash the notification bell to stay updated on when my next video becomes available. Until then, this is Joe Sorrentino saying thanks for watching. See you on the next one.